this is Afrihost, the internet guys. We've got two BESSes in here. So we've got a 200 kilowatt BESS system here behind me. That is fed by a 222 kilowatt peak solar array. And the actual battery system in there is a 200 kilowatt hour batteries, lithium battery system. And there are two 100 kilowatt HPS, ATESS HPSs in here. It's driven from Eskom on the outside. It's got a backup generator that's connected to it as well, and then it has the actual BESS, which has got the battery and the inverters in. There's a 100 kilowatt inverter this side and a 100 kilowatt inverter on the other side. To switch the inverter off, if it's an absolute emergency, you hit the emergency button. It's a button over there. If you just want to switch the machine off and you do it in stages, you would basically turn that to the off position. That would switch the inverter off. So what you would basically do to put the system off, you would first put the AC off. That is the main AC breaker that brings AC into the inverter. You would turn the load off, and then you would turn the DC off, and you would turn the PV off. Two sets of batteries. Okay. So how you would put this battery off is very simple. You would turn it off. You see the green switch at the bottom there? You would turn that off, turn this breaker off, okay? And then you would turn these two breakers off. And that's it, and then the battery is off. To turn it back on again, you would turn that on there at the bottom. You would turn that breaker back on again. This light will start flashing green, okay? It will flash green, and then you will turn these two breakers on, and then the system will then switch on. Okay, and the emergency stop is there, so you can hit the emergency stop and stop the battery immediately as well. There are two isolation breakers up here, so basically this cuts off, sorry Penny, this cuts off the feed to the inverters.